My name is George Motz. Do you want to be my friend? No. Is that too creepy? Sometimes in my hamburger research, I find one-off burgers in restaurants. Not necessarily a regional specialty, but a specialty of the restaurant alone. Take, for example, the Gunder Burger from the Irish Shanty in Elgin, Iowa, or the Bernie's Special at the Shady Glen in Connecticut. These are specialty burgers that really only exist at that one location. They're fan favorites, and in some cases, fan favorites for a very, very long time. Today, I'm gonna teach you about Today I want to teach you about Today I'm going to teach you about a specialty burger. It's actually also very close to my home. It's from Brooklyn, New York, the Gargiulo burger from a place called Brennan Carr. Brennan Carr is not a hamburger joint. It's actually a place that serves hot sliced roast beef on rolls. It's an incredible place with lots of history, opened in 1938. Think of a roast beef sandwich, a hot sliced roast beef sandwich, a beef patty. On top of that, sliced, amazing roast beef, sauteed Spanish onions, 2 slices of American cheese, and then guess what? The whole damn thing gets dipped. Yeah! That's hot. Is it hot? Yeah, it's hot. Oh, here, I got it here. Whole damn thing gets dipped into a vat of beef broth. Ready to cook? Let's do it. I have a pre-formed burger patty, fresh beef, of course, always. Onto the flat top. We've got a little bit of salt. You want to start with a pretty good sized patty because this thing is going to be going onto a very large hard roll. This is not going to be some wimpy burger. This is a big burger. 4 to 5 ounces is probably a good size for this burger. Okay, now, what I want to do also is heat up some fresh sliced, this is just deli roast beef. If you go to Brennan Carr, they actually cook their own roasts and then slice them themselves, and it's very good. But for now, I'm going to heat it up just right next to it. Yeah, it's about 525 degrees. There's some really cool history behind this burger. Gargiulo's is a very fancy, huge Italian restaurant in Coney Island. Brennan Carr usually feeds the staff at Gargiulo's every Sunday. And instead of making everybody a separate order, that's a big staff. And they would actually put out big buckets of burgers and big buckets of roast beef. And they would actually bring their own Italian bread to make sandwiches. And a couple of guys started putting a burger patty and roast beef together on the same bun. And the Gargiulo burger was born. I usually preach the word of smash. I am a smash burger guy. I love smash burgers so much. I know that Seth Rogen called thick patty eaters dickheads. I understand where he's coming from. I don't totally agree with him because I think everyone's gonna have their own personal style, their own personal favorite. We're flipping burger. Yeah, look at that. Beautiful. It's gorgeous. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna transfer the roast beef to the top of the burger. It's all contained there. There it is. The roast beef on top of the burger. That is a beefy experience right there. Sauteed onions. 2 slices of American cheese. That's right, Brennan Carr. Okay, look at that. Thing of beauty. Now to cover. To melt the cheese. Wait, that's okay. Oh my goodness! Oh yeah. Send back. We're ready. Oh, look at that. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. But we're not done yet. You ready for this one? Oh. The Gargiulo burger is not done yet. What we do next will blow your mind. I hope you have a 5-quart cauldron of beef broth in your house because I do. Yes, look at that. Glorious beef broth. Okay, just like at Brennan Carr, the whole damn thing goes into the broth. Oh shit, that was not supposed to happen. We just double dipped. Wow. The Gargiulo burger, explosively beefy. Whoa. Oh, God. That's fucking hot. Surprisingly. Oh my God. Deeply beefy. Very wet. Damn tasty. Holy fuck. And hot as hell. Oh, who wants a bite? Takes your breath away. Shut up over there. Jesus. Did I take another bite? Any other questions? Oh. Yes, you can definitely, this is very true. You really can find incredible burgers and incredible burger experiences in some of the most unlikely places. Like in the corner of Nostrand Avenue and Marine Park. The Gargiulo burger, a wet, hot, beefy mess, like me. Oh. So just so I want to let you know, so we're making a little historical video about hamburgers, and I'm including the Gargiulo burger. So I'll let I got your blessing. That's good. Okay, I'm going to try to make one on camera. I could almost cry. Jesus Christ, sorry. Woo. I get emotional because that was one of my hamburger heroes.